What is up, guys? Welcome to our channel. So quick recap of our last video, episode 4. We finally got the car started at last. The problem was that fuse that goes to the positive terminal in the back to the battery, that was replaced and the car finally started. So that was a big accomplishment for us, as the car was purchased from the auction, not starting. So we never really knew if the engine did run. Took a stab at it and hope for the best. So anyways, we ended our last video where we started putting the car back together, and we ran into the issue where the radiator support that we ordered did not match the original radiator support. This was an aftermarket radiator support. It looked the same in the photo, but it did have some differences. The bolts, some of the clips did not match, so we either had to buy a new one or modify the existing one. So with that being said, we decided to just modify the existing one. Alright guys, so we finally got the car assembled, where we can finally just take it out for a spin. We've been anxious to take it out, just around the block, see how it runs, and see if there's anything else we need to, look into it before we take it to the body shop.
So this guy here is talking to us. I guess he's not happy that we drove the car like this. Now it's making all kinds of noise and then it gurgles. Somewhere over here. So some interesting stuff. Seems to be driving good though. It did kind of smoke. And we're still having issues with it raising. It's not raising. I think some fault with the suspension. Did it stop? Yeah, you cooled off.
Is the water in this guy boiling?
Alright guys, so now we're going to be removing all those blown seatbelts. So we can remove those computers from the seatbelts and send them out to be reprogrammed. Well guys, the day has finally come where we will take the car to the body shop where it's gonna get painted. So we got all the body parts there, the hood, the bumper, the fender, they're all there. We didn't want to assemble them because they're gonna have to, you know, disassemble anyways. So it's going there, and from there, after it gets painted, we will continue on all the other work, so stay tuned. Well guys, that'll be it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for our next episode.